You like it?
Fuck you, nigga.
Yeah. Whoa.
Ed Sheeran.
Too sexy for this girl.
Yo.
He's gonna get run over. He's gonna get run over.
Yo. There's a fucking dog on the loose. Oh, they took it.
Where? Where?
They kidnapped him.
They kidnapped him?
No, I don't know. It's right there.
No! No!
It's right there. Hey,
Hey, yo!
get back to your fucking house. What are you doing? What are you doing? Ah! It's gonna get run over. What? It has no collar. What are you doing? What are you doing? Dude, I don't know what to do. It's not mine. I feel like the people from behind us think it's mine. What the fuck?
Pull over.
You ran the red line.
What the fuck?
No,
Pull over. No, the dog did.
What the fuck?
Shoot him with the gun.
Why the fuck? What? No, I'm not shooting it with the gun.
Just pull over.
It has no collar or nothing.
Pull over.
It's just gonna bite you.
Who fucking cares? I'm trying to...
Oh no!
Miguel, what do you mean pull over? It's gonna bite you. I don't give a fuck.
What if it bites you? What if it has rabies?
I don't give a fuck. I'll die with rabies.
Is that your dog? Is that yours? Me neither. I'm scared. It's gonna get run over. I love that dog. Well, it's too late, bro. I hope that dog gets home some.
I tell you, safe.
Oh, it's on the street again. Oh my god, we can't do nothing about it. I mean, it's a big dog. I don't think it's hard to miss, bro. I feel like somebody saw a dog, they're gonna obviously like stop. You know what I mean? What is that, man? Ditto? Imagine the whole building. Ooh. So educational.
Miguel, what's your favorite? Like, which one do you like the best tasting?
No, but like, which one do you inhale? This one or this one? Or you just like, oh, what is this, like Coke? This was inhaling glue. Somebody go get their man. Oh, inhale this one. This one's fucking fire.
Yeah?
Trust me. It's like that good shit. It's that Heisenberg shit.
I make some really good pizza.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Dough bricks?
Yeah, no, better.
Better?
Kind of like Papa John's.
Papa
But
John.
without him saying the N-word.
What the fuck? Oh, what the fuck? It's some Jeffrey Dahmer shit, huh? What the fuck? Kiss me, Miguel, kiss me. Oh.
Oh, what if someone put their mouth on it?
Their dick on it? Their dick? Oh, my Slender Man.
Slenderman?
Mmm. He looks scary. Oh my god, a little doggy?
Yeah.
It's gonna
bite. It's gonna bite.
Bitches love so old and the no and fucking with them old boss. You gon' get fucked up. Happy birthday. It's your birthday.
Pussy! Look what I got you for your birthday. It's your birthday. Happy birthday, dog. Here, for you. We got at the shoe store.
Fuck you.
What?
We just want to go buy it.
We went to
Thank
buy it
you.
right now. It's Supreme. It's off-white.
I appreciate
You like it?
Fuck you, nigga.
Oh, you can like skateboard on it and shit. Tell me that doesn't look like Ed Sheeran. Ed Sheeran! Ed Sheeran! Ooh, pimping. It smells like my grandma in here. What the fuck is up with this tape?
I don't know. Just keep it there. I don't know why they put it there.
Cold start this bitch. Uh-oh. Okay. What the fuck? It's so weird seeing you drive.
What the heck? That's just ran
Did you
over.
hit a cone?
Did I hit a cone? Was there a cone right there?
Yeah, you hit a cone.
Bruh.
See, no power windows? Are you kidding me? In the way, we mobbing around here. We mobbing. Uber, get in. We're mobbing.
Who got the ox?
I'm like this one.
There's no ox right now. I don't have the cord.
Look at this. This is ancient. Look at that.
Bruh, don't fuck
You
with
stick
it
your
though
dick in
right
here?
Man, you're talking shit.
Hey, bitch. Hey, bitch.
No, you gotta roll that shit up.
Hey, doing drive-bys?
Mira. Mira. Perro.
Yeah, but don't make that shit out of love, man.
Perro. Why'd you park so far? Look how far you parked, dog. Look back up, bruh. Look how far he is. What the fuck? I think he's gonna hit me. God damn.
Hey.
What the hell, no?
What?
Stick that shit in the hole. Who's hitting good? Whoa, okay. We're gonna go mob around.
I gotta piss.
Where the fuck is he going? Do a donut. Oh shit. What are you doing? You're wasting your gas. Where's he going?
Look how tall.
Where's he going? You're wasting your gas, you know that, right?
No, I'm done.
Let me drive it. I'm gonna see if it's good.
Try to get without you then.
No, don't.
No, don't do this. Do this. Don't do this. Do this.
In the Target.
What the fuck is
Where did
that?
that come from?
It was in the back.
Oh shit! What the fuck? Chungus? Discord mod?
Oh shit, this the wrong
Peanut!
Bruh, shut up, bruh.
Why do you have to put your turn signal? There's
Because I'm
nobody
following the
here.
law? I'm gonna have to do this on my test, right?
Oh yeah.
Exactly, so I'm practicing right now.
Stop!
Nigga, I know. Go, nigga.
The fuck? Imagine you say that in your driver's test.
Jumping that, summon that bitch. Jumping that fire.
Is that the fucking White House, bro?
If I pick you up,
Okay.
you give me 50.
Watch out, nigga.
But let me pick you up. I can't pick you up.
Pick up yourself.
How? Push-ups or something?
No, pick up yourself. You just gotta lift yourself up like this. And then,
This one just took it up the ass, you saw that?
Watch out.
Watch out!
out,
Watch out, you have fucking EOD.
I'm sorry, he's a little slow.
Let him pick you up.
I didn't even touch you, bro.
No. The whole thing got stuck to my happy draw.
What the fuck? What the fuch? What? Watch where you're going, pal. Watch where you step. These fools are about to race from there to here, to this big ass pole. You got this pole? Go. Whoa, what the fuck? Damn. Hey, I'm not gonna lie, I think Roger won that.
I couldn't see anything.
I won that shit, nigga. That was it.
Hey, when I flash the light, you guys go. Are you guys ready? Damn.
That might be big, but I can run.
What the?
Bro, he's cheating.
Huh?
He's black.
Oh.
He's cheating.
Well, then y'all Mexican, y'all have borders.
What happened? What you?
When you push me, if me pisé mal, I got a cramp.
Oh.
Yeah. Wow. I'm too sexy for this syrup. Too sexy.
Hoover?
I said stop driving off! No!